How to scan QR code in Line app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, you can just go ahead and open up the Line app application on your device. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface right here. So in order to scan a QR code, you need to just go ahead and look out for the login option from the options available. So look for login option on your screen, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can select like if you want your main device or sub device. Let's head over to main device and click on OK. And then once you click on OK, here you will be finding an option like how do you want to log in. So you can log in using a QR code. So in order to scan a QR code, you can look out for this option of login with QR code and just go ahead and tap on that option. And then once tapped on it here, it will give us a scanner. You can scan the Easy Transfer QR code on your old device's screen, and that should let us scan it. You just need to go ahead and open the Line app on your old device, then scan the QR code under Settings, Easy Transfer Code, and that should do it. So this feature requires an internet connection, and you can just go ahead and follow this method in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.